It's me, little does life and travel.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa ating lahat. Ngayong araw na ito, gagawa tayo ng meriendang binangka. Okay, let's go! Samahan niyo ako! Okay, sa unang sangkap, meron tayong 1/4 na fresh milk and half cup ng sugar, 1 piece of eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, pagsasama-samahin lang natin sila. So, dito sa lalagyan na to, ilalagay natin ang 1/4 ng fresh milk. Tapos, half cup ng sugar. Yan. Tapos, lagay din natin ang 1 piece ng egg. And 1 teaspoon ng essence of vanilla. And then, hahalu-haluin lang natin siya. Ayan, bali hahaluin lang natin. Hanggang sa mag-mix na sila. Ito ang wet ingredient. Kasi separate din natin yung dry ingredient. Okay. Then, set aside lang natin. Dito sa isang lalagyan, mag-a-add tayo ng 2 cups of flour. Ayan, 2 cups of flour. And 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Then, add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. This is 1 teaspoon. So, add another one. And then, half teaspoon of salt. Half lang. Lagyan lang natin. Then, haluin lang ninyo to. So, pagkapaghalo nyo na yan, yung wet ingredient, ilagay nyo doon. O kaya, itong dry ingredient, ilagay nyo dito sa wet ingredient. At ano dyan, mauni. Kung wet to dry, dry to wet. Okay. Alright. Then, haluin natin. Yan, hanggang sa mag-form siya ng parang dough.
I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars.
Mapadali kayo. I-mash nyo na lang ng with your hand. Yan. Yung kamay nyo. Para mas maganda.
Chasing the sun to what can't be done. Let's go beyond. Go
So, pag alam niyo yung dry pa, pwede nyo naman i-add ng konti ang milk. Para yung flour niya ano siya. Tapos, yan. Ganyan na siya.
I won't forget where I came from. I'll use my best to build a future. Keep moving forward, go beyond what they call it.
Tapos, ilagay nyo dito sa may mat.
Then I'll get back up,
Kapag,
try again,
ayan po, bali, ilagay na lang natin dito para may masa natin maigi.
you can stop.
Ito po ay 2 cups lang naman.
Let's keep chasing the sun. Do what can be done. Let's go beyond, go beyond.
Mali. Ang aking plastic.
We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars.
Yung sa hopon siya.
We take will lead the way. These walls we're breaking them down.
Loob ng aking
And we'll leave them all
plastic.
in the dust. Go beyond expectations and dreams to be stronger, to push harder than before.
Okay.
It's a time for change. We're standing on the edge of grace.
Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Ayan natin. Bilogin lang. Ang aking plastic ay matatak siya. Ayan.
Keep chasing the sun. So what can be done?
So, bali, ito na yung ginawa natin. So, bali, i-scoop na lang natin siya. Ng tabi.
These walls we're breaking
Okay na siya. Okay na siya.
and we'll leave them all in the dust.
Tapos, i-scoop lang natin siya.
Waiting for us.
Ang kapilog.
Because we were
Parang ganyan.
made to go beyond.
Isang ganyan.
Beyond, beyond, go beyond.
Ayan siya.
I've come
Ayan. Ayan, bali na-roll yun na natin silang lahat. Sa 2 cups ng flour, nakagawa tayo ng 16 pieces. Ngayon, ididip mo natin sa tubig, tapos sa sesame seed.
keep pushing, never slow.
Yan, bali ito yung tubig. Warm, ano lang siya, normal water, ito yung sesame seed.
Hopes
So, bali ang gagawin natin.
I'm taking
Lulublob lang natin itong,
reach for the stars.
tubig. Yan.
If I
Tapos, lagay natin dito.
then I'll get
Para
back
siya
up, try
dumikit.
again, come back stronger. No,
Tapos,
baby, you can stop me now.
hanggang sa maubos siya.
Let's keep chasing the sun. Do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the
Bali,
limits, take
ganyan lang.
flight.
Talaga.
We'll break through the sky and go beyond the
Para dumikit
stars.
yung
With every step we
sesame sa akin.
take, we'll
Para dumikit yung sesame.
these
Yan,
walls
dapat ulitin mo lang siya.
down.
Ganun lang tayo.
And we'll leave them all in the
Ayan, bali, ayan na siya. Nakagawa tayo 16 pieces. So, i-deep fry na natin siya maya-maya. Okay, let's go!
to go beyond.
Ayan, nag-uumpisa na tayong magluto ng binangkal. Hindi ko na ipakita yung paano paglagay, pero okay lang.
I won't forget
Ayun po siya.
where I came from. I'll
So,
use
bali
my
dito natin
best to build a future. Keep moving forwards, go beyond what they call impossible. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No, baby, you can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun. Do what can be done. Let's go beyond, push the limits, take flight. We'll break through the sky and go
ito na yung second batch.
It's a time for change. We're standing on the edge of grace. Keep chasing the sun. Don't what can't be done. Let's go.
Tama na yung 6 mo.
Go beyond, 'cause every step we take will lead the way. These walls, we're breaking them down, and we'll leave them all in the dust. No horizons waiting for us, because
Ito yata, pag binili mo sa labas, parang 5 piso yata ang isa. Yata. I'm not sure.
go beyond. I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My
Lalagay tayo ulit.
destination is unknown, so I keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars.
Last batch na
For
to.
the start. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls they built can stop me now. Let's keep chasing the sun, do what can't be done. Let's go beyond.
Ayan,
Go beyond.
tapos na tayo na in the last batch.
We'll break through the sky and go beyond the stars. With every step we take, we'll lead the way.
Ayan na yung binangka. So, eto na yung binangkal natin. Merienda for today. Okay, thank you for watching. See you again. Bye!